Catch some clouds from the coast with the Uwell Caliburn Pod Mod. This cool piece of vaping gear is simple yet powerful. Don't need me to convince you to pick this one up? Well then scoot on over to VapeWild by checking the link in the top right corner. Okay, let's get to it. The Uwell Caliburn has a design reminiscent of those classic movie theater marquee signs, which I'm kinda digging. It has an internal 520 mAh battery, so that is definitely gonna last you for any day outings you have on your calendar. This little pod mod also has two different ways to vape. You can either push to fire or draw to fire. Below said fire button is an LED indicator that lets you know how much power you got left and when the device is firing. Another small but cool feature is the fact that there are windows on the side of the mod so you can see how much e-liquid you have left, so no dry hits for you. Now about the pods. Each pod has a 2 milliliter capacity and is rated for 1.4 ohms. They are built for nic salts but can also be used with regular e-liquid as well. These pods are top fill. Simply wiggle the drip tip cover until it comes loose and use the 3.5 millimeter fill ports to top off your pod. Now I will say the drip tip cover feels a bit flimsy to the touch. Having said that, you're probably wondering, how does it vape? Truth is, surprisingly well, even with regular e-liquid. It has an incredibly smooth draw and the clouds it makes are dense, warm, and flavorful. Yep, I'm gushing over a device again. Yep, I'm still vaping on it and you should be too. Pick it up at VapeWild today. I picked up 4. Vendor's giving me that side eye again. I don't appreciate it. Listen, I have wants and needs, and those needs involve these pod mods. Don't cali hate because I'm vaping on the Caliburn, sucker.